So you're affirming, you're visualizing, but your manifestation is still not here yet. There are a couple of reasons why this might be happening, and also, excuse my hair, it is very hot in the UK at the moment, and this is just the only way that I can feel cooled down. So you're affirming, you're visualizing, you're still not getting any movement, and there's a couple of things that you may be doing that could be blocking your manifestation, and there's a good thing here. This can be easily resolved. So the first thing is, sometimes we get really caught up in doing the 10-minute manifestation method or visualizing before we go to bed, and we think, that's it, done, I've done my little manifestation session, where are my things? That isn't always the case in terms of getting you what you want. Yes, you can do those manifestation techniques in terms of focusing for 10 minutes, but what about the rest of the day? There's 24 hours in the day, right? And 10 minutes is just not going to cut it if the rest of your day is filled with, why isn't it here yet? Oh my God, SB hasn't spoken to me. Oh my God, I have no money. Like, what? I can't afford this. I'm never going to get that job, all of that stuff. So thinking negatively outside of your focused manifestation sessions is a big reason for why you're not getting what you want, because we manifest what is our dominant thoughts and our dominant way of thinking. So if you're saying, oh my God, SB loves me, oh my God, I have £1 million in the bank account, and then 5 minutes later you're complaining to your friends, you're feeling sad, you're feeling negative, this is going to be blocking your manifestation. The second is being a little bit impatient and thinking that while you're doing affirmations and visualizing, nothing else is happening in the background, when in fact loads of things are happening in the background. And a really good example of this is I've got quite a few manifestation success stories, specifically on my YouTube channel, and one of them talks about how I got my job and how I applied for a job that was actually based in Amsterdam, and they were taking a long time to get back to me, and I thought, wow, that means I haven't got the job, but actually they were figuring out how I could work from the London office, basically, because that's where I'm based. But the whole time I was affirming that I got the job, and I was thinking positively about it. So this is just one example about why you should keep going even when you don't see it with your two eyes. You've got to keep going, because all that matters is what's going on in your in your mind, because that is going to reflect out into your 3D reality. Because all your 3D reality is just your old thoughts. So the quicker you saturate your subconscious mind by penetrating through with your affirmations, with your new story, the quicker you will see your 3D reality change. And that's why it's important to keep focusing on the thoughts that you want and not the thoughts that you don't want. I've just got my notes over here, so that's why I'm looking about it. Another thing is giving things a negative meaning. So if you haven't heard back from somebody, or if the thing you want hasn't arrived yet, you think, oh, it's not going to happen, oh, it's taking too long, so I'm not doing something right, or I'm not good enough, or this or that. No, you can just decide, oh, they're just deciding how to deliver this package to me. Oh, SP's deciding on a really big romantic gesture for me. My boss is just preparing the paperwork to give me a promotion. So you don't know why the things are not happening. So make up your own story and decide that that one is true. And those things will help you to stick to your original positive new story. And then the last one is simply, you're giving up too easily. You are affirming for 5 minutes or a few days and thinking, what, it's not here yet, where is it? Oh, I haven't got it, it's not here, therefore I'm doing something wrong, or this doesn't work. When in fact, you know this works. You know this works because you're here and you're learning about it, and you've done it before but you haven't had success this time. You've just got to keep going, keep pushing through, keep doing your affirmations, keep persisting, because the more you persist, the more it hardens into fact, the more it becomes into a belief, and you'll start to see things change, and you'll start to feel yourself change as well. And when you start to feel like a new person and you start to feel a bit lighter, that's when things really move. Now, having said that, I've definitely manifested stuff where I've been feeling anxious and I've been feeling worried. So you don't have to always feel happy and light and breezy for it to come, but there are occasions where you start to feel your affirmations and you start to feel a bit calmer. But the main takeaway of this is, if it's taking too long, if you're feeling frustrated, you've just got to keep going. It means your reality is about to change. When we have all of these old thoughts, they kind of just need to come out of our body and purge into 3D. They kind of just need to get out of our system before the new ones can start to show. And if you're really, really struggling, I would just go general and say, everything's always working out for me. Aren't I lucky? Oh my God, everything's always working out for me. I have a really good life. I'm a really amazing person. I'm a really lucky girl. I'm a really lucky boy. So you can calm your nervous system when you're feeling overwhelmed, and if you're feeling like things are not happening. But be honest with yourself. Have you been complaining? Have you been thinking negatively? Have you been associating a lack of movement with a negative connotation? Have you been giving up? Be honest with yourself. And then just realize all you need to do is keep affirming, and you will get the things that you want. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please drop me a comment, and I just would so love to help you out.